Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get a Chase Bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you are logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the website. A checking account is typically used for everyday transaction and purchases. With a checking account, you can deposit and withdraw money either through the bank or an ATM. Write checks, pay bills, and make purchases with a debit card. What do I need to open a checking account? There are a few documents you will need to open a checking account, whether it's an online or in person. Banks and other financial institutions may have different requirements. If you are a US citizen or non-US citizen residing in the US, here's a list of few documents you may need to open an account. However, check your financial institution to determine what documents you will need. Identification. This could be a valid government-issued photo ID or driving license, social security card or individual taxpayer identification card, passport, birth certificate, proof of address. It must show your name and address of your residence. This could be current and valid, mortgage documents, utility bills, bank statement or credit card statement. Opening deposit. Check to see if your bank requires an opening deposit. If so, you can typically do so with debit card, ACH transfer, cash. Application. To open a checking account, you will likely need to complete an application for approval either in person or online. That's how you can get a Chase Bank account. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.